x cube y and then square root is there. We should be clear with one concept, that x cube y, if you remove this square root sign, then you can give its exponent as 1 over 2. This is what the most important step here, else everything I'm writing the same way. Now this exponent 1 by 2 will be multiplied the exponents of inner each variable. For example, what will happen? This 1 by 2 will be multiplied with this 3. 3 multiply 1 by 2 will become 3 by 2. And y, when there is nothing, that means y is having exponent 1. So this 1 will be multiplied with 1 by 2. We will get 1 over 2 only. And this division sign, what I'm going to do, I'm writing like this. I'm writing this x square y in the denominator. I hope you are clear with this step. It's not always required to keep division sign. You can write as numerator and denominator as well. Now exponent rule, division rule will be used. Which rule? I'm writing here. A to the power m over a to the power n is equal to a power m minus n. This is law of exponent division law. Same we are going to use here. What we will do, x to the power, this 3 over 2, this 2 will go above and will be subtracted. Same way, y is having power 1 by 2. When there is no exponent in the denominator, that means it is y power 1. So this 1 is going to be subtracted. This is what we are going to get now. Let me move ahead. Now 3 over 2 minus 2, you can just do the simple calculation. Take 2 LCM, it will become 3 minus 4. And here also for y, 2 is the LCM, we will get 1 minus 2. The very simple calculation is there. Now 3 minus 4 is minus 1 by 2. This is x, not 3. And for y also we are going to get minus 1 by 2. So x and y both are having same exponents minus 1 by 2 now, which can be combined together, and we can further write it xy to the power minus 1 over 2. Please check it very carefully. Read this calculation step by step, and I'm going to write further step here at this position. Now this minus 1 by 2, it is negative, right? Let me make it positive. How can I make it positive? By bringing to the denominator. I can write it as 1 over xy to the power 1 by 2. Now the same concept from where we started this question, this 1 by 2 can be written as square root. So this is the answer. 1 over square root of xy. What we have done, we firstly used this concept, writing square root as 1 by 2. Then division sign is removed, I wrote it in the denominator. Then division law of exponent is used. Then reverse concept again it is used. So this question we completed using exponents. I hope you all are clear with this question. If you think that this video is helpful for others, please show this video to others as well. Thank you so much.